So the plumber doesn't have to think about anything. We've provided them a system that is just foolproof. All they got to do is their plumbing services, and we make them money on the back end. I've been building and selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out, and I've worked with every niche imaginable. But one of the best niches that you can work with is the plumbing industry. The reason is that plumbing jobs are extremely high ticket. The plumbers are always busy, so they have no time to spend on their business. And there's so many of them, meaning that the total addressable market is massive. So today I'm going to show you an automation system that I've built that you can take the template and resell it to plumbers near you for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 setup and a couple $100 for the maintenance. If you want access to the template, it's inside of my school community at school.com/automate. The link will be the first one in the description. I want you to now pause the video, go to the school community so you can apply to it. By the time the video is done, hopefully you are approved and you can put all of this into action and you can get access to the template. We also make it a priority to approve people who've left comments on the video. So just comment why you want the template and why you want to start an automation business, and then we'll make sure you get priority access. Now let's jump into the walkthrough. All right, you can't see it, but I've got my trusty laptop here and I'm going to show you exactly what you get inside of this plumber template, how you can sell it, and all of the good stuff right here. So it's hosted on this platform called Go High Level. If you're not familiar with Go High Level, it is the greatest software that exists on earth. It helps a local business do anything that they can imagine. This is my version of Go High Level. So I took it and I made it specific to automations, and that's where you get all my templates inside of this software. So if you want access to this, it's going to be in the school community as well. So just wait till you get approved there, wait till the end of the video, and then you can go inside, you can figure out how to get this software, get set up, and then you have access to this template 100% for free. All right, so let me show you what we provide to these plumbers, okay? So because these plumbers don't know anything about business, they don't know anything about marketing, we need to just give them everything ready to go. So the first thing that we have over here is you've got this funnel. Now, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a way to get the business more leads, right? So we create this template for them. We put their name, their logo on it, whatever. We take this funnel and advertise that we have 24/7 emergency plumbing services in whatever state that they're in. Now the user can come in, they can put in their information, and then they get taken through an entire funnel. So you can see here, they can book a call. We put a nice picture of the plumbing team, and then we can put emergency calls, things like that. So now we put this on their website, we run ads to this, we put this on their social media. So anytime someone has an emergency, they have direct access to our client. The best part about this, the reason why it doesn't look super big and complex, is that it's optimized for mobile. When somebody has a plumbing emergency, they're going to open it up on their mobile. They're not going on the desktop app. This is something most marketers forget. It's a slight difference that leads to a lot fewer leads. Now, when a lead actually fills out this form, we want to put them into a system to actually get them to purchase a service. So if you go to the automations tab over here, there's an entire folder waiting for you called plumbers. And inside of here, you've got the entire step. So from the second a lead fills out that form, we hit them with SMS, with email, with follow-up. We tell the plumber, hey, someone just reached out, go and talk with them. So I'm going to walk you through all of these things here, like if they don't show up to an appointment, if they do book an appointment, if they don't purchase, if they purchase, everything is covered. So the plumber doesn't have to think about anything. We've provided them a system that is just foolproof. All they got to do is their plumbing services, and we make them money on the back end. That is how you're going to get rich. So step one, organize the new leads. Somebody fills out a form on their website. What do we want to happen? So that is the trigger at the very top. Someone fills out a Facebook lead form or a form on their website. We assign it to the plumber. We put a new tag on it saying new lead. And then over here, based on where they came from, we can mark it as Facebook or we can mark it as website or whatever you want to do. From there, we send them to the next step. Next step is going to look just like this. So you can see here, we notify the staff via text saying, boom, you just got a new lead. This is all of their information there. So now the plumber or the plumber's receptionist is getting a text message with the lead's information. So the lead gets an email from the plumber saying, thanks for your interest in our service. We're going to get back to you as fast as possible. Then we have an SMS go out, and we have a bunch of SMS sequences that go out, and these will keep going until they actually respond and say, hey, yeah, I'm interested, or I want to work with you guys, or I need you ASAP, things like that. So these systems will go out just like that. If they respond to this sequence over here, then they get put into the responded workflow. So if they respond to there, then they come over here. And now the staff knows, okay, this is a serious lead. Not only did they fill out the form, but they're actually talking with us now. Please go and service them. So this helps quite a lot. Now, the entire purpose of this lead workflow is to get them to book an inspection, a consultation, or to pay for some sort of service, right? And that is what all of these SMS and these emails are geared towards. A big problem that a lot of plumbers make is somebody will fill out a form on their website or they'll respond to their ads, and no one will reach out to them for hours or days or weeks. and then just forget about these leads because they haven't automated the system. That is your selling point. You're going to come to them and say, don't worry about anything on the business end. You focus on doing what you do best, and all of your leads that are coming in, maybe you have a 20% booking rate right now. I want to get that to a 30 or a 40% booking rate. And that difference could be tens of thousands of dollars a month for them. And that can be a lot of money for you if you take 10, 15, 20% of that. So now you're a partner in a plumbing business helping them grow and making a piece of that. Some other stuff we have in here as well is that if someone doesn't show up to an appointment, this is very important because if people don't show up to appointments or they cancel, plumbers forget about them. No one's sitting there chasing, hey, you booked an appointment last week, last month, 2 months ago. Do you want to get scheduled back in? Nobody actually follows up with their leads. But an automated system, AI will do that all day, no problem. You don't have to pay to do that. So this system will basically just follow up with those leads, make sure that they're okay. So here's an example of an email. Say, hey, is everything okay? You missed our call. Can you please reschedule a time here? And people get busy. People forget. Things happen. But if you constantly keep reminding them, trust me, they book in all the time. It might be the 3rd attempt. It might be the 5th. It might be the 15th attempt. But they will eventually come back into the system. And then you have some other examples over here. Like if they purchase your service and they become a customer, then what we want to do is we want to get more Google reviews. So if they're a happy customer, then we want to say, hey, thank you so much for your business. Would you mind leaving us a review on Google? And if they're unhappy, then we don't send them a review request. If it's like a 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, but if they're a very happy customer, like a 4 or a 5, we can automatically send a email or SMS asking them to leave us a Google review. This is going to help the business skyrocket in the rankings and basically just get more business that way. So that's super important as well. All of these little things no one thinks about, but when you package it up into a whole end-to-end system, that is where the money is made. Another really cool automation you can offer them is something called database reactivation. So I've got that here at the bottom. What this means is that a plumber, if he's been in business for like 5, 10, 15 years, he's probably got a lot of leads. A lot of people have interacted with his business in the past. So he might have a couple thousand, 5, 10, 15,000 people in a database somewhere who are all just sitting quietly. What you can do is say, hey, you've already got this massive database. Why don't we reactivate them with some new promotion or some new offer that you have and get them interested in purchasing from you again? That is something you can do with this system right here. So this is how it works. We put everybody into the system, the software. We put this tag on them that says DR, standing for database reactivation. And then what happens is everybody gets an SMS saying, hey, I'm offering XYZ discount for our services for the next 10 customers. Is that something you're interested in? This could be a maintenance, it could be a routine inspection, it could be whatever that looks like, right? But the idea is that these people know who you are. They've spoken to you before. Maybe they're ex-customers, maybe they're ex-leads, whatever that looks like. Now you're just reminding them, hey, we still exist. We have this promotion. Do you want it? First 10 people to respond get it. And then if they respond, they get put into the response bucket. If they don't respond, we're going to keep attempting that until they buy, right? So there's nothing, this doesn't cost any money. And if they've got a database of like 10, 15,000 people and you convert just like 15 or 20 or 30 people, that's like extra money you've generated out of nothing. So that's instant ROI for the client. They didn't have to spend any more ad spend. There's no risk on their part. And you can even do a rev share and say, hey, don't pay me for the setup because I'm giving you the template right now anyway. So you guys don't even have to do any work. But you can go to the plumber and say, hey, don't pay me for the setup. For every extra dollar that I generate you from this database reactivation, give me 20% of the returns. So now you're incentivized to do a good job for them. You know it'll work because the setup is right here. And then you can make easy money by just reactivating their databases. So this is a killer offer, and it's a good way for you to get your foot in the door with very little risk because you're not asking for anything up front. The system is already set up. And there's a bunch more stuff in here, and I could go on and on about how great this system is, but I just want you to try it out yourself. Get into the software, load this template into it, click around and see everything it has to offer. And then you can, once you understand it, then you'll be able to communicate this well to a plumber and show them, hey, this is everything that I can do for you. Let's make some money together. So to get access to this, like I mentioned, to get access to this, if you go to school.com/. learn.com/automate, the first link in the description. This is Hamza's automation incubator. I'm Hamza, obviously. And then inside of the classroom, you have all the instructions you need. Go through the introduction module because it'll explain to you what this software is, how to get it, everything that I've talked about here, and then how to get my templates as well so you can load them directly into the system and then just start selling it. I cover the sales portion as well, so how to get this in front of plumbers, how to get sales, how to cold call, cold email, anything like that, whatever you want to do, it's covered inside of the platform right there. And if you have any questions, you can message me directly on School. Just find my name. Hover over my name, click on chat, and you can talk with me, ask me any questions. And then once you get the software, I'll train you on it, and then you can start selling it to local businesses near you. So looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.